Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Thursday, the 3rd day of July, 2014. Yes, our results for today. We were flat on soybeans, just one trade. We were up 10 ticks on the Russell, minus 12 ticks on natural gas, up 9 ticks on crude oil, and up 33 ticks on gold. On the month so far, in the 3 days that we've been trading so far in the month of July, we're up $1,232.50 a contract. We have taken 47 trades in those 3 days, so we're averaging about 12 trades a day. If you apply an $8 commission to every trade we've taken, you would be up $856.50 a contract, net. If you applied a $5 commission to every trade we've taken, you would be up a net of $997.50 a contract. Now those are net numbers, and those are just for trading one contract in the 2 hours that we trade live in the live trading room. Okay, so the gross is $1,232.50. To get to our goal this morning, we had one trade, 1 minute, $110 a contract. We took a total of 11 trades today. All right. Now this first trade that we took, I'll show you. It was on gold. In a few minutes, I'll show you. It was on gold, and we took it in the pre-market when the unemployment rate came out and the non-farm payroll information. All right. But before we get to that, let me show you this. Okay. If you have not taken our free trial, go to any page at CFRN.net. Any page at CFRN.net. Put in your name and your email address. Click register for a free trial. Once you've clicked register for a free trial, you'll be sent a confirmation link. You must click on the confirmation link. We do not know that you have registered for a free trial until you click on the confirmation link. Okay? So again, put your name and then your email and click register for a free trial. Click on the confirmation link, and then you'll get all the free trial information that you ever wanted from us anyway. And that's that. That's how to register for a free trial and do all that stuff. Now, I always start with crude, but today I'm going to start with gold because, well, gold's where we made most of the money today. Let's see, in the pre-market, you see on the bottom down here, it just starts at 8:30, and all these bars were in 10 seconds. All these bars were in like 3 seconds. But what we said to do was sell 12.9 or buy 19.6. It dropped, and the sell is what triggered in. We got slipped quite a bit on that, but we still got in at a decent spot. And I was trailing my stop, and we ended up taking out, I think we got in at 12.1, and we got taken out at 13.11 even. Okay, that was our breakout trade this morning on the news event. Now, we had another one. Well, I'll finish with the gold first, okay? So all these bars that you see right here were all based on the news event. Now, we had just a couple more trades in gold, well, a few more trades in gold. The next one was right here. It was an up close off the BBC right here with a bullish divergence and a blue cycle. We took 11 ticks profit on that one. We missed this one. The next one was an up close above the trend line. We took 11 ticks profit on that one. All right, and the next one was right over here. It was a down close off the BBC. Down close off the BBC. You can see we had bearish divergence in a red cycle, and I believe we took, I don't know what we took on that. You know what? I didn't even include that in my totals. I think we took 8 ticks profit on that one, but I didn't even include it in the totals. And that was it. That was where we ended the day. So we actually ended the day better than I thought. Yeah, it was better than I thought. All right. Over here, there was another shorting opportunity right in here. We missed that one, but that was there. Let's see. The last opportunity would have been right here, a little momentum trade on the gold, right there. Okay, on the long side. That was the last opportunity for the gold. And then over here was another shorting opportunity. Another buying opportunity that's setting up right now. You need an up close above that trend line. Man, I wish I would have marked that trade down. But anyway, doesn't matter. We had 3 trades for 11 ticks, and I believe we had that other one trade, and I don't remember how many ticks it was. It might have only been a few ticks. Either way, I mean, it's money in the bank, but not money in the totals. And that's it, guys. That's what we did with gold today. I had a feeling we were going to have a lot of movement on gold because on days where the unemployment rate and the non-farm payrolls come out, gold bounces around quite a bit. That's why we came in at 8:30 this morning to get into it. Now, crude oil, on the other hand, was just a mess today. You see it? We took this first opportunity in here on crude, and I believe we made 1 tick profit on that one. Then we took a break even over here, and finally we took a trade right here. We made 8 ticks profit on this one. Okay, that put us at +9 on the crude. +9 on the crude. Since then, it's done nothing. Nothing at all. All right. Let's see. I'll do the Russell next. Okay, on the Russell, we did not have a lot of activity today. We took this one trade right here on the Russell this morning for 10 ticks. 10 ticks profit on that one. Okay, it was the down close below the trend line over here, but it pulled back, and I got into it on the pullback and took 10 ticks profit right in there. After that, it got really choppy, and the ES had a weekly trading zone right up above it all morning, so we weren't going to be able to go long. Okay, like all in here. There was an ES weekly trading zone being hit, all in here. Okay, and that's why I couldn't take the trades in here, the long trades in here, because the ES zone was there. And it's still being held down by that. All right, so now I think I'll just move into the ES and show you that one. You see, just recently, it went through the zone, but all morning, this is 9:32 right here, all morning to 11:30. It was going into a weekly trading zone. So we couldn't do anything on the long side with that. All right, that one was a little tough to trade this morning, but it's all right. We got nothing there. Let's see, the next market we'll do is soybeans. We only had the one trade on soybeans, and I was telling everyone this morning that if we close down below there, we should go down to 36 is what I said. And then I said if we get down to 36, we should go to 34. Well, we did get to 36 eventually. We took a short trade in here, and we ended up getting out of it at break even. It did eventually drop down to 36 and then down to 34 right in here. It pulled back looking like it was going to give us another opportunity here, but the divergence was all wrong. So we ended up getting nothing else out of that. Nothing else. Okay. That was soybeans. Let's see, I've done gold, crude. I've done everything but the natural gas. Now the natural gas, we had inventories come out on the gas today too. Let's see, on the gas, I don't think I hadn't placed a trade on the gas until right here. Now my original short trade was at 13.29, and it triggered me in as I was waiting for the inventories to come in. It triggered me into the trade right here at 13.29. I mean at 3.29. Okay, and it stopped me out, so I lost 8 ticks on that first one. And then we finally broke up above over here, and I was going to get long at 353, but it slipped me in 356, and then I just took out 4 ticks profit there. Okay, that put us at -4 on the day. Then the cycle was just not giving us any opportunity in here. Okay, there was one spot right over here where we could have gotten a little back. There was a short. I think we're going to get into that in a minute. I got short here on the down close below the trend line. I should have looked left and seen that it wasn't trending yet. We needed to close below there, but I didn't. And so I paid the price and lost 8 ticks. That put us at -12 on the day. Now, right in here was the short that I was just thinking about. There was this one that I missed, where you could have actually gotten in up there. I missed it. It went 4 ticks in favor, so I just ended up not getting into it. I missed this one, which was an awesome trade, and that one. Sadly, I missed all those great trades on the gas. And since then, it's just been sideways, a sideways mess. That was it. That was all we had in the natural gas. That was all we had. Okay. And now in the crude, the gold right now setting up a long trade. Crude's got nothing. Gas has got nothing. That's it. That's everything, guys. So let me bring the spreadsheet back out. Hey, Jim. That was, yeah. It took me out. No, it went and grabbed me right to the tick. Right to the tick. And then stopped me out. Yeah, that just wasn't fair. But it happens, you know. That's why I keep my risk at 8 ticks on those. All right, so we'll go over the spreadsheet really quick one more time. We're up $1,232.50 a contract in the 3 days of July so far. That's one contract, 6 hours. 6 hours of trading. Okay. So what is that? $200 an hour? $205 an hour. That's not bad. And if you want to make 410, you just add another contract. Not bad, huh? All right, I am going to bring this one over here now too. All right. If you have not taken our free trial, just put in your name here. Oops, hang on. You guys can't see that yet. Can you guys see the website right now? There, now you can. You put in your name there, your email there, click on register for a free trial. Okay, once you've clicked on register for a free trial, you'll be sent a confirmation link. Got to click on that confirmation link, then you'll get all the email stuff for our free trial. Okay? That's it, guys. That's all there is to it. Now, I think we will be able to head out to... Hey, we could even head out to Vegas. All right, so it's 12:26, and I'm going to shut off the recording, hand it back to Dwayne, and see if we're going to head out to Vegas or not. All right?
Yep. I believe.